So let's talk about these 3 copywriting hacks that can triple your conversions. First, let's start by looking at what I see as the biggest barrier that's sabotaging most online businesses and blocking conversions. When it comes to most landing pages, I believe they are designed to mimic what I like to call the Home Depot experience. Everything's clearly laid out and structured. The customer comes in, they know what they want to buy, and they know they're probably gonna buy it. However, when it comes to our landing pages, it's a much different story. When customers hit our landing pages for the first time, this is our first point of contact with them usually. So not only do they not know what they want to buy, a lot of times they don't even think they want to buy anything in the first place. So if we design our landing pages to mimic Home Depot with just nicely laid out inventory, that's not usually enough. It's not selling. If we really want to skyrocket our conversions, we need to write sales copy instead that's going to mimic a highly skilled door-to-door salesperson. This salesperson is going to reach out into the customer's world, take them by the hand, and lead them directly to that sale. He's not just there to give information about your product, he's there with one objective: to get the customer to take out that credit card and buy. Historically, all great salespeople and all great sales copy follow the same 3 basic strategies. First, they take the time to really connect with the customer before they ever try to sell them something. Second, they sell the benefits of your product, not just the features. And third, they close that sale aggressively. And right now I'm going to teach you how you can do all 3.
Want to be part of the world's largest community of subscription innovators? Join our community today and take your subscription business to the next level.
For just $9 a month or $99 a year,
you'll get access to insightful content, actionable workshops, and industry insights.
Not only do you get exclusive content, but you get access to the largest community of subscription innovators and leaders. And with SubSummit Premium membership, you also get discounts on our live events.
Customer experience, operations, you name it, it's all there at subta.com. It's some of the best money you could ever spend.
If you're in the subscription business, joining SubTA is a no-brainer.
We can't wait to meet you. Join us at subta.com.